Hey, welcome. Today we're going to look at the mouse case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. They are trying to become environmentally friendly, and they advise us to recycle the cases. And there's also a warning in here that's for California reproductive harm P65 warnings. So let's open it up. I've already cut that. So let's see. A really nice presentation, always with Mous. They say we take phone cases seriously, and a really nice message in here from Mous. There's a warning in here saying that there is a magnetic field. And you can activate your warranty, which I will do. And really nice presented. And that's how it looks like. Lovely logo on the back. Raised around the camera lenses, and this is also raised for and will act as a screen bumper. One thing I don't like is that the buttons are not covered, and then you have the MagSafe in there, and it's matte. It's kind of okay with the fingerprint, so yeah, I'm really liking it. So yeah, let's try it on the phone. So there we have it, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we'll try the mouse case. So we'll align it like this. Okay, and then I think we'll drag down a bit. Okay, in position. So yeah guys, as you can see, there's a tiny lip in there to protect the top, and the same on the bottom. I think it's covering the phone very well. The lenses situation, let's see. The lenses are protected just a little bit. Like I said, there is a tiny lip in there, as you can see, so that should cover them just a little bit when you place it down. Obviously if you place it on something, they will get scratched, but it looks really nice, and it makes the phone very small, actually, the way it should be. The buttons, obviously, are easy to access, although they are exposed. So now let's just have a quick look and see how it works with a MagSafe charger. Connects properly, and this is wireless charging. So that works really well, and you know, it holds as well pretty well. Hey guys, so I've enabled fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's see if it says, and there it is, fast wireless charging. So yeah, it actually works really well. So let's see one more thing. Can we actually type with the pen, with the S Pen on its surface, while using the MagSafe and a MagSafe charger? Because sometimes, you know, there's rumors that it doesn't work really well, and in some cases they don't really work really well. And as you can see, this area in here doesn't really work with the S Pen. It works around here, but not in this area. So in this area you have to probably insist a bit more. But if you just go like that, you can see it's not working as well as without, and I'll show you. If I take this down and I just slowly press now, you can see it works. So I'll show you again. This card, let's just put the pen back in. Yeah, take it out and look at this. Yeah, I'm barely holding it, obviously not like that, but yeah, I'm putting this, boom, yeah, it's charging. You see how it interrupts, especially in this area. You have to insist a lot. You can see that's a bit thicker because I'm insisting, so yeah, definitely gets affected. We'll try with another charger just so you won't say that it was my charger. Yeah, this is a Qi2 charger, by the way. So I'm gonna come back with two different chargers and we'll try again just to make it fair. Okay, so we have a normal charger. I think this one, it's 5000 milliamps, and it's up to wireless, so wireless output. Okay, so it's up to 15 as well. So let's see. We turn it on, we place it on the back. It's saying fast wireless charging. We take the pen and let's see. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, so if I take this out, same thing. Okay, actually now it works. Yeah, it definitely creates some interaction with the MagSafe. So now we're going to use a different MagSafe charger. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, let me show you so you can see better. So I'll put this back in. Let's just see if it's fast charging, by the way, as well with this one. For some reason with this one is only normal charging, but maybe it's something that needs to be activated from here. Anyway, let's review. It's about the S Pen with the mouse case. And that's not only the mouse case. There's some cases, I don't know what exactly they're using, but yeah. And you can see the affected area is obviously in here, inside. You can still write if you press way harder. But if you do it like this, you can see how it just doesn't want to do it in the middle. So as soon as that kind of wireless stops, wireless charging or MagSafe, the magnetic charge stops, we should be able to use this without any problems. Look, it's like this because I'm barely pressing it. Yeah, but it works now. Same case. Eh? Now I'm gonna try with a different case, just to put this theory to sleep. Okay, so we have this case, which I've kind of tried before, so let's see. Cool. Yep, so first of all, this one, there is a problem with this case because of this is outside. It doesn't allow me to use specific accessories. Fast charging there, hopefully you could see. And then pen out. And by the way, this is MagSafe as well. Yeah. pen out, and let's see. Yeah, no problem at all, you see. Now I can write, I can do whatever I want. So yeah guys, I don't know, I'll try with one of these as well. I have to put it in a specific position. Is it charging? Not yet. Now it's charging, so you can see no problems at all. So yeah, it is the case. I don't know what kind of magnetic they use. Obviously it is affecting. Is it charging? Yeah, it's charging. So it's fine, obviously in there anyway, it was fine. But when you get to this bit, it's obviously this one doesn't have the same problem. And I will show you one more time. So we'll take this pen out on a clean screen. And look, I'm not really doing much. I can actually feel when it does work and when it doesn't. So I know this works because you can see it. Sorry, this video turns out to be quite long, but I really want to test it so you guys will know. So I'll put the other case back in a minute. Yeah, so mouse case back, and by the way, it does attract some fingerprint. Depends how, if your hands are a bit wet, sweaty, you will do this. So I'm just doing this test just to show you. I will still use this case because I think it's really nice, and having the MagSafe option, it's a bonus. But I just wanted to show you that it does affect some MagSafe cases. They do affect the S Pen. Look, yeah. So I have to press really hard, and then it works. If I do it slowly, nothing. Look, you can actually see it gets affected. So I'm happy I've tried, so you guys would know. So yeah, there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.